Bloody Sunday refers to a pivotal moment in the American civil rights movement that took place on March 7, 1965, in Selma, Alabama. Around 600 peaceful civil rights demonstrators set out to march from Selma to Montgomery, Alabama's state capital. They were protesting the suppression of black voting rights and the killing of civil rights activist Jimmy Lee Jackson. As they crossed the Edmund Pettus Bridge, they were met by state troopers and local law enforcement. Without warning, the marchers were brutally attacked with clubs, whips, and tear gas. Many were beaten unconscious, and dozens were hospitalized. The entire event was captured on film and broadcast on television, shocking viewers across the United States and the world. The brutality of Bloody Sunday galvanized national and international support for the civil rights movement. It directly led to the Selma to Montgomery marches, including the successful third march later that month, which was protected by federal forces. Most importantly, it pressured President Lyndon B. Johnson and Congress to pass the Voting Rights Act of 1965, a landmark piece of legislation that outlawed discriminatory voting practices. John Lewis, then a young leader of the Student Nonviolent Coordinating Committee, was severely beaten during the march. His leadership and courage became symbolic of the movement. Martin Luther King Jr. later led the successful march to Montgomery after federal intervention. Bloody Sunday remains a defining moment in American history, a stark reminder of the violent resistance to civil rights and the courage of those who fought for justice. The Edmund Pettus Bridge has since become a national symbol of the fight for voting rights.